So yeah, I just been trying to get home, and yeah, apparently the fucking door's locked and nobody's home. Like really, the doors are basically fucking almost impossible to open without a certain type of key. Hold on, don't do that shit. But yes, everybody's gone. I don't know why. It's like bad snowstorm. I've been out here for like 20 minutes now. And I've been looking for people. I've even, in houses, I haven't found anybody. It's like there's nobody here, and these are heavy fucking footprints in the snow. I've been, not even animals. This place is usually animals out here. Even in the fucking dead middle of winter. It's like, it's freezing out here. And I'm getting a little freaked out. You can't. I don't know, it's just so freezing cold. It's like, nobody's around, nobody's fucking here. It's so weird. Oh no. Okay. There's something. I don't know if it was somebody or something, but there's something following me, and I looked at its face. I've been running for a few minutes, and it's freezing. My hands are cold. I'm wearing gloves. The fuck? There's blood in the snow. Something seriously wrong. I have no idea what it is. I don't even know how long I've been out here. I'm hurting, and it's so cold. I can't describe it. I have almost this urge I feel like I'm heating up, even though I know I'm freezing. I know all the houses I've entered, nobody's home. They'll look like they're home from the outside. People walking, people talking, but they're not. And I go in, nobody's there. There's not a lot of space on this. What the fuck? There's cars in the distance, but nobody's there. there's no people. And there'll be cars driving by, but I don't know, I haven't died out here yet, but I'm feeling it. And you can hear voices too, but no people in cars. It's weird. Yeah, there's... Here we go here. I don't know, it's just... There's a warning on the radio, and then the car broke down. Yeah, so I have a car, I just got it pretty recently. All those cars over there. I've looked to what's the neighborhood? There's no signal to call for help. I wonder if there's something out here too. And I know I'm out here and I've seen it. I even cut it on the camera. And now I'm just trying to stay alive out here. Not even for that thing, which abomination, whatever, something. Well, I'm getting fucking scared, man. I'll tell you. Not you. Your name's Thomas. Thomas Hills. If I'm dead. If I die, this is footage. That will be. Hope to God seen. I've been hallucinating too for the past few minutes. It's just so weird out there. These aren't my footsteps either. I haven't been out here except for that. Except for my car over there, then I just went straight to the fucking houses. I haven't tried the church yet, because this is church. It just feels so warm up here. It's so strange, it feels so warm yet it's so cold. I'm obviously not dreaming because I can pick up the snow. I just know something ain't fucking right. I need to get out of here before something real fucked up happens. Saying something in a language I don't understand now at this point. I'm just... Hold on. So yes, I'm just something. Maybe if I see if there's anything at the bus stop, maybe any is there anybody at the bus stop? No, there isn't. It's just... Oh shit.